So मैं दोबारा GS plus TZ is GSZ plus GTZ. This is for GCSZ. अगर कोई स्केलर मल्टीपल आ जाए किसी सीक्वेंस नाल तो CGSZ. This is for the convolution. GS star TZ is GSZ GTZ. The basic formula which we have to use today is the pop operation, the generating function for the pop operation. These two formulas we have to apply in today's lecture to solve the recurrence relations. So this is a formula for a single pop and this is a formula for n times pop. So for n times pop, the generating function is GSZ, the generating function of the given sequence, minus R varying from 0 to n minus 1. Whichever number you are given here, if you are given n, then you have to take the summation up to n minus 1. SR ZR upon Z raised to power n. So I have to use these two formulas for today's recurrence relations. So these are the some examples which are solved for these pop operation, convolution operation, and for the scalar multiplication operation. If you are given an is equal to n, bn is n by 2, cn is 2n. You have to find generating function of a pop 2z. So a pop 2 will be, that means you have to change n to n plus 2. So its answer will be n plus 2. So I have marked S1 as n. S1 was n suppose kar liya or S2 was 2 suppose kar liya. So S1 plus S2. So that means if you have to solve the generating function of a pop 2, then you have to solve the generating function of n and 2 and then have to add both of them. So G a pop 2z, that means generating function of a pop 2z will be GS1z plus GS2z. So GS1z n de layi a previous lectures de vich pehla vi discuss hoya siga ki how to solve the summation of this kind n into Zn. That means the generating function of n. So its answer will be z over 1 minus z square. You can watch the previous videos to derive it. Z over 1 minus z square and GS2z, S2 अपने को constant सिगा, only 2. The constant ਦਾ generating function ਦਾ ਵੀ formula ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ previous lectures ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ discuss ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ ਹੈ. तो ਕਿਵੇਂ find ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ 2 upon simply 1 minus z. ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ z over 1 minus z square plus 2 over 1 minus. The second sequence ही अपने को bn that was given equals to n by 2. The bn ਦਾ ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ generating function लिखना होवे ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਕੀ होएगा, again simply 1 by 2 ਦਾ constant ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ multiplied है, c 1 by 2 हो गया, constant वाला हुनी ਅਸੀਂ formula पढ़िया, gcsz will be cgsz. So c ਅਸੀਂ constant बाहर काट लिया और n ਦਾ generating function again z over 1 minus z whole square. ਤੇ b star b ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ generating function यानी convolution ਦੇ ਲਈ वो आपका formula कितना ही सी, GS star TZ will be GSZ into GTZ. So here we have both S and T equal to B. That's why it is GBZ into GPZ. So substituting the values of GBZ 2 times and multiplying it, we will get its result. And the third is Cn was 2n. So the generating function of C was 2 raised to power n. Its formula is also discussed in the previous lectures directly. Can, its generating function is 1 C over 1 minus AZ. So here you have only a, c is equal to 1 है. So इस करके इसका अपने को direct formula आ गया 1 over 1 minus 2z. And we have to find the generating function of G2CZ. So 2 times generating function of GCZ. The scalar will be taken outside 2GCZ. So GCZ अपने को किसके बराबर सी 1 over 1 minus 2z. So in this way you can derive the generating functions using the formulas. So now moving on to the main topic, using operation on sequences to solve recurrence relations. For example, this is the example, solve the recurrence relation Sn plus 2 minus Sn plus 1 minus 6 Sn equal to 0 with initial conditions S0 equal to 1 and S1 equal to 2. So firstly, you have to note that the thing to solve the recurrence relations with operations on sequences, you would need the indexes in the plus form, in the increasing form, n plus 2, n plus 1, n. If you have n, n minus 1, n minus 2, then make them in the form of increasing. I will show you another example in which you are given in the decreasing form and you have to convert them into the increasing form. But here you are already given in the increasing form, so no need to change here. We will solve it as it is, the given statement. So की करना है ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ सब तो पहला सानू पता ही है GSZ की ਜਿਹੜੀ वैल्यू है ਇਹ वाली ਹੁੰਦੀ है S0 plus S1Z plus S2Z square and so on up to infinite summation. So first step is you have to write the recurrence relation in the pop form because you have Sn plus 2 and we have studied that Sn plus 2 is equals to S pop 2n. In the previous lecture it is explained very clearly that Sn plus 2 can be written like S pop 2n. and Sn plus 1 can be written like this, S pop 1n, and here you have no increment, so it is as it is 6 Sn. So now taking the generating function of all these three terms is the generating function ਅਸੀਂ ਲਿਖ ਦਿੱਤਾ S pop 2n equals the G S pop 2z and S pop 1 and the G S pop 1z, or S and the simply GZ, or you can write it as GSZ. Okay, GS comma Z or simply GZ. So now using this formula which we have discussed for the pop operation, using this formula for the generating function G S pop n, S pop n. So here your n is 2. So using this formula you will get the term. You can clearly notice it. GSZ is as it is. So I have taken GSZ, and summation is from 0 to n minus 1, and your here n is 2. So that's why summation 0 to 1 SRZR, right? And S pop 1 ਦੇ ਲਈ ਵੀ ਇਹੀ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਤਾਂ S pop 1 ਹੈ, ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ n1 ਹੋ ਗਿਆ। ਕਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਸਾਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਸਾਡਾ, so GS1 ਦੇ ਲਈ n ਆਪਣਾ 1 ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, so summation varies from 0 to 0. That means you will get only one term, that is S0, and 6GSZ it is taken as it is. So opening this summation R is equal to 0 to 1, ਇਹਨੂੰ open ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆਊਗਾ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਟਰਮ S0, ਫਿਰ ਆਊਗਾ S1Z, and you have negative sign outside the summation, so both the terms are negative. So this term will create it, and you have to substitute here the value of S0 which is 1 and the value of S1 which is 2, and here the value of S0 which is 1. So now combining GSZ, ਸਾਰੀਆਂ terms ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ GSZ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ combine ਕਰ ਲਓ। ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ first term ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆਏਗਾ GSZ ਦਾ coefficient 1 by z square, ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ coefficient ਕੀ ਬਣੇਗਾ -1 by z, ਔਰ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆ ਗਿਆ -6। ਔਰ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ terms without GSZ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਅਸੀਂ right side ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਹੈ shift ਕਰ ਦੇਣੀਆਂ, ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਦੋਵੇਂ terms ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਹੈ right side ਤੇ shift ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ with upon z square। ਸੋ ਇਹ ਇਧਰ 네ਗੇਟਿਵ ਸੀ, ਇਧਰ ਆ ਕੇ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਔਰ ਇਹ ਟਰਮ ਇਧਰ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਇਹਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਵੀ ਹੈ, ਮਾਈਨਸ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਪਲਸ, तो इधर आके ये माइनस भी। Now taking LCM on both sides you will get this expression, and z square जब cancel हो जाऊगा you will get the value of GSZ like this. Now make the factors of GSZ. 1 minus z minus 6z square can be factorized like this, 1 plus 2z into 1 minus 3z, and making the partial fractions now. How to make the partial fraction in shortcut form, as I have explained earlier also. If you are taking this factor 1 plus 2z, then z will be -1 by 2. You have to substitute z equal to -1 by 2 everywhere else. So here 1 minus 1 by 2, and it will become 1 plus 3 by 2. Similarly, if you take 1 minus 3z, then your z will be 1 by 3, and you have to substitute z equals to 1 by 3 everywhere else. So 1 plus z सीगा 1 plus 1 by 3 and 1 plus 2 by 3. So you will got these partial fractions. So this is your GSZ, and to make the sequence reversely, the same formula you have to apply, C over 1 minus AZ. इस दे नाल तुसी compare करना हैगा, तो इसका corresponding sequence अपने कोल हुंदा है C into A power n. So in this one you can see your C is 1 by 5 and your A is -2, so -2 raised to power n, and in this you will get your C 4 by 5, so 4 and 5 is taken commonly outside, and your A is 3, so 3 raised to power n. So next example is solve the recurrence relation Sn minus 6 Sn minus 1 plus 5 Sn minus 2. Now you can see you have the indexes in the decreasing form, n minus 1, n minus 2. So but using operation on sequences you have to solve this question. So firstly we will take the step that replace n by n plus 2. Now what you have to do, you have to replace n by n plus what will be the order of the recurrence relation. By that number you have to replace, and this recurrence relation has order 2, the highest index minus lowest index, that is 2. So you have to replace n by n plus order of the recurrence relation, that means n plus 2. So अगर इसना replace करांगे, you can see Sn will changes to Sn plus 2, Sn minus 1 will changes to Sn plus 1, and Sn minus 2 will changes to Sn. So in this way you can replace this equation in the increasing form also. Because if you have mentioned that you have to solve it by operation on sequences, no other method, then you have to do firstly this step. You have to convert the decreasing recurrence relation into the increasing form. because we have to apply the pop operation. So pop operation can be applied only when you are given the indexes in the increasing form. So the next step, same as in the previous question, we have done it. Sn plus 2 can be written like this: S pop 2, Sn plus 1 is 6 S pop 1n, and this is as it is. And now taking the generating function of all these terms, G S pop 2z minus 6 G S pop 1z plus 5 Gz equal to 0. And again, using this formula of pop operation, GSZ minus summation, again R varies from 0 to n minus 1, and here your n is 2. So that's why 0 to 1 SRZR, and here your n is 1. So we have only these two sum, GSZ minus S0, 5 GSZ. And opening this summation, you will get S0, S1Z. And substituting the values of S0 and S1, here we are given both the values equal to 2. S0 and S1 both are equal to 2. So substituting here and combining the terms which contains GSZ and taking common GSZ, taking common outside of these terms, and taking rest of the terms to the right hand side and taking LCM on both sides, you will get GSZ equal to this: 2 1 minus 5z 1 minus 5z upon 1. This time 1 minus 5z cancelled out. You will remain only with 2 over 1 minus z, and again comparing it with C over 1 minus AZ, you will get the sequence will be 2 into 1 raised to power n. Your C is 2, your C is 2 and A is 1. So the answer is simply Sn is equal to 2. So this is the solution to the recurrence relation.